All right, so we're continuing proportions with finding the part, percent, or whole of a problem. So in the upper right, you have how it should be set up for your proportions. So the P stands for part. Oh, the P stands for part. The W stands for whole. Percent sign obviously stands for percent. And this is always 100 because percents are always out of 100. If you have the whole thing, you have 100%. Okay, so we're going to set up the first problem. It says 17 is 85% of what number? So it says 17 is 85%. So that means that 17 is your part. So we're going to put 17 where the part goes, 85 where the percent goes, and 100 where 100 always goes. And we're trying to find the whole that's down there. So to get from 85 to 17, one relationship is that you can divide by 5. So we're going to take 100 divided by 5. And 100 divided by 5 is 20. So 17 is 85% of 20. All right, in the next one, it says 40 is 200% of what number? So 40 is 200%, and percent's always over 100, and we don't know what number. So this time we can go on the side. So to get from 200 to 100, you're going to divide by 2. So we're going to do 40 divided by 2, which is 20. So our answer is 20. Our last problem on here is that 13 is 15% of what number? So 13 is our part. It is 15%. It's always over 100 down here. And we don't know the whole. So this one's a little bit harder because there is no relationship. So we're going to have to cross multiply and then divide. So we're going to do 13 times 100 and then divided by 15. All right, so 13 times 100 is 1,300, and then we're going to divide by 15. Okay, so 15 does not go into 1, 15 does not go into 13. How many times does 15 go into 130? Let's try this. Let's do 15 times 8 and see where that gets us. So 5 times 8 is 40. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12, so 120, and it's not going to fit in one more time, so that's the magic number. So minus 120, we're going to have 10 left over, bring down the 0. 15 goes into 100, how many times? It is 6 times, so we're going to try 15 times 6, which is 90. We're going to have 10 left over again. So this is going to be repeating. So we're going to add the decimal to 0. So it is going to be 86.6 repeating. All right, you guys are going to go on to the next slide, and you guys are going to try these on your own. So pause the video, try them on your own, and then come back and check your answers. All right, check your answers here. If it says of a number, that means it is your whole. So it should be on the bottom. So check your answers and then go do your assignment in Schoology.